Oi, did you just call me? Oi, why aren't you answering me? Well, so you just asked me if I knew a girl called Georgia Jones. Well, guess what? I don't. So you can go and tell this Georgia girl to stop talking about me when she has no idea who I am in the first place. I bet if you ask her, she'll have no idea who I am or even how old I am. So I hope you understand that there is no way me and this girl know each other, alright? So back off and don't ever mention her again, okay?
Why me? I ask myself daily. But I know I can't change my past, but I can write my future. I've moved on. He can't get to me now. I've got Lola. I'm me. I'm independent. Who needs boyfriends? Not me. My future's looking up. I'm holding my head up high, and I'm taking a midwifery course. I'm going up in the world, following my dream, and being who I want to be. Just the other day, I spotted a really hot single guy proper checking me out. But I'm not ready, just yet. It's too early. I couldn't do that to him. I mean, I don't like him or anything. Or do I? No, I'm being silly. I'm totally over him. It's just me and Lola now. No one else, just us.
It was an interesting time, I can say, but I wasn't too sure what I'd wear or even if I should go. I was nervous because of that incident that happened last year. That girl that put the hot dog in her hand and launched it at me as if she was a human catapult. I was worried that it might happen again. I did decide that I would go, after a long time of thinking. I went to the dress shop and found the perfect dress. That was until the kid came up to me and reminded me that I was the one who had the hot dog thrown at her. That knocked my confidence down a bit, but I knew that I couldn't miss an opportunity like this. I went home and tried on my new soft pink sparkling dress. It looked amazing, just like all of the other celebrities. I put my makeup on, got out of the house and into my limo. It was beautiful, bright lights, everything was perfect. I got out of the limo and onto the red fluffy carpet. I felt like a star. I saw a hand ready to launch at me. I closed my eyes.
They do it every day. I try to stay to myself, but no. They find me from every corner I hide. I hate her. Sophia is her name. She is just one of them girls that likes to boast about everything she does and bully people. That is what she does to me. I told my mum. She spoke to the principal to ask if I could move schools. After a couple of days, I woke up in the morning and I was ready to go to my new school. I thought to myself about a new start and that I would always go with my head high. I put on my best clothes and joined the popular group, and I was okay in my new school. I was so glad I moved my school.
Hi Nan, I hope you are listening and I'm not just talking to a gravestone. We all have been missing you, just being there to share your positivity. But I have to say that since you have been gone, we have been changing our ways for the better. And have I mentioned that the family is going to get bigger within the next week? You are going to be a great grandma. Maybe one day I shall bring her here to see you. Just before I forget to tell you, me and Sophie have been picked up by a record label. I hope I am making you proud. Also, me and Sophie are moving into a bigger house with the work money savings. We are planning to get a little puppy. I know I have been coming to see you a lot more than planned, but it's all for the fact that I am missing you and that I would be no one without you. Well, I better get going, otherwise I'll be late for work. Goodbye for now. I shall pop round tomorrow.
Where are you off then? I'm on my way to Cardiff. I'm going to meet my boyfriend. He said it's a surprise for me. What do you think it'll be? Will he give me a ring? Oh my god, he's going to propose to me. I'm going to be a wife. Right, how will I react? Am I going to laugh, cry, smile? But what if he doesn't propose? Oh my god, what if he's going to break up with me? Will I cry? Will I slap him? Oh god, did he cheat on me? Oh, I swear to god, if he cheated on me. Calm down, breather. Don't get ahead of yourself. He's probably just taking her to dinner. Well, I hope so.
I've heard a lot of young kids suddenly changing their minds of what they want to do when they're older. I want to tell you about when I was younger, about 15 years old in secondary school. I was always desperate to fit in with the cool kids. It was like they had control over me. To fit in with them, you had to have the most expensive clothes and no knits in your hair. I remember always asking my mum to go shopping in these fancy shops and making sure I washed my hair every day. I hated almost every lesson apart from maths and science. Throughout school, I thought I had the ambition of becoming a doctor, but my friends made fun of me and told me it was a job for geeks and weirdos. And they said that if I was becoming geeky, I would become uncool and not fit in at all. So because I really wanted to be cool and fit in with them, I gave up my dream of becoming a doctor. Right now, I still regret it. I've lived with anger and hate. That's the reason why I decided to become a teacher, and the reason is that because I couldn't achieve my dreams, I am here to help you guys achieve your dreams. It's a simple message of letting you not let people push you around and make decisions for you. So make sure you become what you want to be and not what others want you to be.
Hey, isn't that the car that you just crashed? I'm so sorry. Can I please start again? Because I'm really stressed, you see. I was working late yesterday and I was really busy. I lost my husband last year and I have a child to look after as well. So it's really hard for me. I really need this part because everyone hated me. I wanted to be an actor, but directors said no because of my looks. In middle school, no one would talk to me to play with me. They would just walk away, even in my 20s. So please, I really need this part.
Well, I'm not too good actually. My gran passed away a couple of weeks ago, so I'm really emotional. She always spoilt me rotten, as grans do. It's sad because she won't be able to meet my baby brother. But apart from that, I'm okay. Well, apart from when we went to the doctors to see how the baby was progressing, and they told us that he may have Down syndrome. To have heard that really upset me, but he wouldn't have been loved any less. I will always tell him stories about my gran, how loving and amazing she was. Now I've got it off my chest, and I have told you, I feel much better. Actually, I feel great. I'm going to think positive from now on. But anyway, how are you feeling?
I feel very shy with the way I am, because I have always been unpopular in my life. Inside, I feel that I am uncool to go near popular girls, because of the way I am. I feel uncomfortable with my own character, because I'm shy to be with girls that I have not been with throughout my life. The popular girl that think I am one of the unpopular and poor ones, but I am rich and unpopular. That's who I am. I can't change how I live because of the popular girls. I really want to show them girls that I can be myself. I got invited to one of the popular girls' party and I shared my feelings with her. And I said, I feel uncomfortable with myself because I've never been friends with you girls before in my life. But that one day I became the person that I always wanted to be in my life. And now I'm a popular model like I wanted to be. That was my dream job.